Welcome to 257 East Shore Drive, part of the Grande Vista Bay community in Rockwood, Tennessee. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, this is a stunning Southern living-inspired design, overlooking the main channel of Watts Barr Lake with over 3,900 square feet of living area on over an acre. The grand entrance leads to a most open floor plan, your formal dining room to the left, and this executive office to the right. The great room enjoys plenty of outside light beneath a coffered ceiling and on hardwood flooring. Just take in the large floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Now to dining and the kitchen with plenty of seating either at the ample counter space or your intimate breakfast nook by the screen porch. You'll enjoy plenty of cabinetry, the spacious pantry, an in-counter induction range, and of course, all the appliances to make meal prep easy. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the main level make for restful sleep. Here's the master suite beneath a magnificent tray ceiling, facing bay windows with plantation shutters. Your master bath offers dual vanities, a stylish old-fashioned tub, and a walk-in shower. A plush guest suite awaits your visitors on the lower level, along with a full bath, billiard room, and a large media room beneath over 11-foot ceilings. And check out the storage, along with this oversized workshop. From evening views of Watts Barr Lake to virtually all the enjoyable times of your life, 257 East Shore Drive awaits your private tour. Call Joanne Mielenz of Century 21 Legacy direct at 865-599-6300.